Hi! Today we are going to test out the Blenderful, and I'm going to show you how it applies all my makeup, and I'm going to be putting my foundation, concealer, blush, and bronzer on with this. I want to show you what I put on my face before I applied my makeup with this, okay? I use this essence, which I am just absolutely loving. It gives my skin nourishment, and it just soaks it and drinks it right in. I put on vitamin C and magnesium, and this I just got from TJ Maxx. I put on Nazelle wrinkle reducing and collagen infusing serum. I put on Nudo. And these are just creams that I have that were given to me or I bought, and I'm just using them up. Then I put on this hyaluronic facial cream by Dr. Brandt. Love this. It's just like a custard, and it's just so delicious on your face. It smells great. It feels great. And then I'm trying to use this sunscreen up by Pharma Skincare SPF 30. While it was soaking in, I did my eyes and my lips, and that's it. And now I'll show you the video of me applying my foundation, my blush, my bronzer, and my concealer with the Blenderful. Now, on with the test of the Blenderful. Okay, so you see where the blush is up there and the bronze is over here? So what I do is turn the compact over this way and swipe it there so the blush comes on top. It's pretty cool. This is my quick tip how to contour your nose. Just put the bronzer on top and then put the concealer in the middle, and when you blend in the concealer, you'll still have the bronze shadows. Let's see. That's good. Very good. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. I tried this new foundation. I don't think it's bad. Healthy ELIXIR, Vitalist Healthy ELIXIR with SPF 20 by COVERGIRL. I love the bottle. And it's not bad. It looks very dark. But so I'm going to take this little brush and do my eyebrows. So now the tail shouldn't be lower than the front. Now I don't do this. I don't do that. But I draw this and then I do the tail, but don't go too low. See, and it gives your eye a lift if you do it like that, where the beginning of the tail is by the beginning of the brow. Level with that. You could just eyeball it. Now I have a lot of space between my eyelashes and my eyebrows, so I try to bring my eyebrows down. I believe you could get twins. That's what my goal is, twins. This is my favorite line of lipsticks. It used to be MAC, and now I just don't have the desire to keep applying my lipstick all day. This Super Stay Matte ink. First of all, the design, the look of it, I have no desire to buy it. It just looks like, I'll show you what it looks like. I bought these from the dollar store. These are the best makeup wipes, washcloths I've ever had. And I've been buying different ones. This is polyester and polyamide. 10% polyamide, 90% polyester. So what's the difference? This kind of repels. It doesn't take off your makeup. Now, I'll put it on with this and let's give it a test, okay? There's something with this fabric that is different from this fabric, right? But I'm going to put some on now. All right, we're just going to do half the face. Okay. Now, if I use this to wipe it off, it's like so easy. See, I don't think this is going to put makeup on, but I'm curious. All right, so here's my dupe. Okay, let's put the makeup on it. In case you're curious, like, this looks like a makeup eraser, right? So, and then I put a little bit of this, right? This color is a little darker. Let's do the concealer. I'm going to take it this way. Now, I would never put my makeup on with this cloth, but if I had to, I could. Now, this is with my makeup remover cloth, and this is with Tatis. And I think this put it on like a tissue would, you know, you just pat it and pat it. This has sponge in it and this furry fabric, and the shape is good. I like the ribbon, and it's got some bounce to it. Also, I want to show you this. These are some of my beauty sponges that I put in the washing machine. I never ever did that. So I'm going to show you what they look like. And then we're going to do another little experiment. They didn't come out perfect in the washing machine. I would say you need to spot clean them because that didn't come out good. That didn't. And I tell you what a great cleaner is besides my Zote soap is the Beauty Blender Cleaner. The one that is meant for beauty blender sponges. That is amazing. So let me just take this. Oh, maybe I should do this color. Okay. Sometimes I like to match. I'm going to put this inside the rag. See, then, I don't know. Let's see. Put it where I already applied the makeup so it feels the same dampness. Yeah. I don't know. I had to buy it just to see, but I mean, I think it's great, something new. I probably will continue to use my brushes and then go over it with my sponges, you know, after I'm done with my makeup at the end. It was $18. This has a lot of foam in it. I guess it's the same fabric. This works. And this is Tati's new product. I think she's a sweet girl, and I give her so much credit for doing so many videos per week and so many years of doing this. I wish her the best of luck. I'm just curious, and I want to show you comparisons. Let's try this. All right, this takes the powder, so powder's this way. That's pretty good. This powder pretty good. Powder, excellent. Excellent with the powder. Okay, let's try this. Boing. What I love about this, it was so nice to have a tissue up here, so nice, is see the moisturizer and then the concealer in the middle. So let's just put another. All right, we'll do this. It's going to wipe it off, I'm pretty sure. It's not going to make it stay. Yeah, this is wiping it off. This is a moisture repellent fabric, polyester. That's why it's leaving the makeup on your face. You know, I was trying to figure out what is the difference. Now, I'll put it over here. You'll see. The reason this works is this type of fabric is a moisture repellent. This is like a liquid repellent, and this is a liquid absorber, because that's why that removes your makeup so good, and this puts it on, doesn't take too much off. It's some kind of fabric that doesn't absorb the way a makeup remover would. A makeup remover just kind of sucks all the makeup off your face, and this doesn't. This is good because the powder went on amazing and the concealer rubbed in perfect. And I got more product with this than I did with a brush, just by rubbing that. You see the product there? I mean, I could just keep going and going and you hardly see any of the pink. Yeah, look at that. It's great. It's great. Now, I believe that you really need a few weeks to try out a product to really give an honest opinion. This is my first impression. I was curious to see if it was any different than this. And it put on the foundation good too. Nothing negative. This also put on the foundation, but it did soak up a lot because this is meant to remove your makeup. This is not meant to remove your makeup. This is meant to apply your makeup. So that's the difference. And I like that the little sponge is in here. What else? I think I'm done. I have this little bottle of water. I'll put the link down below, but if you're curious where it is, where do I sell it, it's right in my Amazon store. I got about at least over 200 items of everything that I love. So if you're curious what I love, this just removes everything. Amazing. And I wonder if this would remove, I wonder if I like remove my makeup with it. And this has more of a, this fabric feels like it doesn't remove it like this. It doesn't remove your makeup. That's why this fabric is good to apply. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I'm glad I bought it. And this would be for like kind of blending everything in and blotting. Oh look, boop, boop, boop. See, look at that, how it fits. That's good. I am pretty impressed with this. I will give you updates on this too. I will continue to use it and then see how it washes. But until then, it's pretty cool. Oh, I have to go. I have to pick up my granddaughter now. So, thank you so much for watching. And I think next week we're going to try this. This is by Revolution. This is too cute. It's a bunch of donut compacts that have everything in it that you need. Blushes, bronzers, highlight, eyeshadows, everything. So I think I'll crack this baby open next week. Okay, so today was this review. Also, we saw how the Selena worked better with these sponges. Much better with these compacts. I think they're compacts? Furry compacts with these Blendifuls. It did work much better with that. So that's it, everybody. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you have a great week. And remember, I love you. Don't forget to like, share the video with your friends and family, and I'll see you next week. That's enough pushing.